खत है जो तुझको लिखे शायद मिल ना सके, खैर तू अब जो मिले सुन ले ये सदा।
कैसी दिल लगी है तू, कैसी बेबसी है तू, मेरी जिंदगी है तू, मेरी जिंदगी है, मेरी जिंदगी है तू, आंखों की नमी है तू, सब है पर कमी है तू, मेरी जिंदगी है तू,
मेरी जिंदगी है तू।
Today I am going to show you a very simple and beginner friendly kameez tutorial that you can easily make at home with just 2 meters of fabric, and the finishing will look completely professional. And the best part, I'll guide you step by step from joining the printed pattern to cutting the neckline, stitching the sleeves and achieving a clean structured look. If sewing ever felt difficult to you, after watching this video you'll say this is actually so easy. So let's begin. So step 1 is joining the printed pattern. First check how many alphabets are printed, that is A1, A2, A3, then B1, B2 and so on. Collect all A pages together, then B pages, then C pages. Now take the A group and arrange them in ascending number order, A1, A2, A3 and so on. Now join the pages, cut the left border of A2. You will see a star mark on both pages. Match both stars and join them neatly using tape or glue. Follow the same method to join all the pages. A group, then B, then C and so on. Then join all the pages together like A group, B group, C group vertically. You will see a rectangle. You have to join them together. Now you will have the back kameez pattern. Front kameez pattern and sleeves pattern. You can keep the sleeve length as it is or extend it if you want longer sleeves. I will be adding lace to my design, so I am going to keep the folding line straight and don't cut the neck shape yet. Leave it straight for now. Neck pieces will be cut later. The entire kameez fits easily in 2 meters, but for 2XL or 3XL size, if your fabric width is 44 inches, take 2.5 meters. I am using rayon fabric for this tutorial. Step 2. Making the neck pattern. Take the 2 neck pattern pieces and join them at the top by drawing a straight line to complete the neck shape. Place the neck pattern on canvas and mark the shape exactly and cut it out. Mark the center point of the neckline. This is important for proper alignment. Now cut the outer neck curve. Your neck pattern is now ready. Place it on the fabric, making sure there is at least 1 inch extra fabric below the neck area. The fabric above stays as it is. Cut the fabric keeping extra fabric below. Fold this extra fabric toward the canvas side and stitch 1/4 of inch right on the edge. Bring any extra fabric neatly. Step 3. Attaching neck to kameez. Place the canvas neck on the kameez, matching the center notch. First, stitch a straight line from the top down until the curve begins. Then, stitch the entire round neck curve. cut around the neck, leaving 1/4 of inch. Now, on the tiny gap between the kameez and canvas, add a top stitch. This helps the canvas turn inside smoothly and stay in place. Now add one more edge top stitch from the right side. This prevents shifting. Remember, do not top stitch from the inside, it will create wrinkles. Always stitch from the right side. You can add embroidery, a lace or a decorative cord if you want, this is optional. Now attach the back neckline using the same method, but do not do the final edge top stitch yet. We will do that after joining the kameez shoulders. Step 4. Joining the shoulders. Place the back kameez with its right side facing you. Place the front kameez on top with its wrong side facing you, so both right sides are facing each other. Fold the back canvas piece slightly toward the front and stitch the shoulder seam with 1/2 inch. Do the same on both sides. If there is any extra fabric around the armhole, trim it and even it out. Step 5 is attaching the sleeves. Mark the center point of the sleeve. This center should match the shoulder seam. Place the sleeve on the armhole. Kameez right side faces you, sleeve wrong side faces you. Now stitch the sleeve around the armhole. If there is any slight extra fabric in the sleeve, first pin the bottom end of the sleeve, then match the armhole gradually. Trim any extra fabric neatly. Now stitch the side seams. Start from the sleeve bottom, go down with 1/2 inch seam allowance. Stop at the hip marking. Adjust the fitting as you like, tighter or looser. Now make the slit, double fold the slit area, stitch it in an inverted U shape. Add a lock stitch at the hip joint so the slit stays strong. Now double fold and hem the kameez bottom. You may add lace or any decorative finishing if you want. And that's it. Your kameez is fully ready with clean stitching, a professional neckline, perfect sleeves and neat slits. If you want the sewing pattern for this design, check out our Etsy shop. The link is in the description. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, happy sewing!
खत है जो तुझको लिखे शायद मिल ना सके, खैर तू अब जो मिले सुन ले ये सदा।
कैसी दिल लगी है तू, कैसी बेबसी है तू, मेरी जिंदगी है तू, मेरी जिंदगी है, मेरी जिंदगी है तू, आंखों की नमी है तू, सब है पर कमी है तू, मेरी जिंदगी है तू,
मेरी जिंदगी है।